Hello, this is Harvey, and this is our engineer Timmy. In this video, we will show you the wiring between 3 high-frequency inverter and 4 pieces lithium battery. Here are 3 pieces high-frequency inverter. One is 11 kW, total is 33 kW. This is 2 distribution device. This is positive, this is negative. 4 pieces, 50 kWh lithium battery. Total is 60 kWh. So this system is 33 kW inverter and 60 kWh lithium battery. Now let's begin. The first step, battery connection. Now we are connecting the battery positive cable to the positive distribution device. The battery negative cable to the distribution device negative one. All battery positive cables connect here, and for battery negative cable connect here. For lithium battery communication together by using the RS485.2 communication port. After we finish the communication cable wiring between the lithium battery, now we connect the first lithium battery to the main inverter. This is the master inverter, and the left is the sleep inverter. The third step, from the inverter to the distribution device. This is the positive part of the inverter, and this is the negative part of the inverter. The first step, the communications between the inverters. The master inverter parallel port 1 connect to the second inverter parallel port 2. The master inverter parallel port 2 connect to the third inverter parallel port 1. The second inverter parallel port 1 connect to the third inverter parallel port 2. The fifth step, connect the grounding cable to the inverter. The sixth step, turn on the battery one by one. Check the lithium battery positive cable and the negative cable, correct or not. Red to red, red to black. If everything is correct, turn on the lithium battery breaker. Check the communication between the battery if successful or not. Turn off the first battery. All battery turn off. That means successful. Turn on the first battery. All battery are turned on. That means the battery communication is okay. Now we turn on the battery again. That means everything is okay. Then we turn on the inverter one by one. The first is the master inverter. Before leave our battery, the inverter already finished the setting. So no need to set again when you see the inverter. Now the wiring between the inverter and the battery is done. Now we can turn off the solar system. First, we turn off the inverter. Second, we turn off the battery. The seventh step, connect to the output of the inverter. After we finish the connecting, we turn on the battery and the inverter and check the voltage is correct or not. Now the connection is done and the solar system is working. This is the wiring between the high-frequency inverter and the lithium battery. If you have solar system demands, contact us.